Hello everyone, this is your host George Frost, and this is for another review of an amazing tool called Hydravid. And I'm really excited about this software. I've been using it, I purchased it, and it is phenomenal. So I will show you some of the functions of the software and explain what it does, and I'm really pushing you guys to just go ahead and get a copy before it goes on commercial pricing, which is in a couple of weeks. So let's start the software and show you a bit what it looks like. So basically, what this software does is you can have a bunch of videos that you can select one click, and then you can enter titles, descriptions, tags, put them in categories that you want, and so on. And in the titles, when you get the pro version of the software, you can have a spin rewrite. If you have a spin rewrite account or a best spinner, which are the biggest spinning services, you can have it, you can type the text that you want manually, but you can also have it spin some words that you select between, two characters and two parentheses, and it will actually spin the words between all these videos. You enter the description and you tell it which word they're allowed to spin, and it will enter a unique title and a unique description for each of these ones. And it's so easy to do, and this is worth gold because it saves so much time. Instead of going into each video and having to enter the description and write it manually, it's done in like one click. So once you have all these videos, instead of limiting yourself to YouTube, which already takes forever if you want to upload video by video one at a time, you put all your videos, you enter once the titles, descriptions, tags, and categories, and then it's going to send it in one click to all these accounts that you have on YouTube. You can have an infinite number of accounts that you configure on Dailymotion, Vimeo, Twitter, Tumblr, and LiveJournal. These are huge networks. You have 6 networks that your video will be uploaded to in one click, which is phenomenal. Also, you can go to search YouTube and search for a specific word. Let's say you want to search for Garcinia Cambodia, for example. Let's say just Garcinia. It will automatically pull out the top videos. And let's say I didn't put Cambodia, but let's say you want to take this one and just use the description. You can go to your video and it automatically pulls the description from the title and the description instead of you having to type. So first of all, you have an insight on titles and descriptions for your kind of video. It will automatically pull out the category, and if you select multiple videos and you click on use it, it's going to go automatically to all the videos, and then you can just put a spinning word, like you can say instead of magical, it's amazing pill, whatever, and it will change the description and the title automatically. So that's amazing. Like it's such a time-saving tool. And also, one thing that's amazing that it does is you can just select an image, put it there, and this will add an image to each of the videos, and you can select if you want to add it, during 1 to 5 seconds at the end of the video. You can have your opt-in form there, you can have your call to action there, and this will make the video unique. So YouTube will see it as unique, Google will see it as unique, and as you know, that will help you in your ranking in Google. So that's done like in one click once, which is amazing again. Also, which is more amazing, you can also have a title and description of your videos, which will automatically go to the social networks, Twitter, Tumblr, LiveJournal, and Facebook, and it will send a backlink to your videos. And that's done again in like, you configure it once and it's done. And then you have the history of what was sent to the different networks and so on. So The software is so cheap for what it does. It's ridiculous for the amount of work that was done behind the scenes and the amount of time that it will save. It's actually 20 something, 27, 25, $27, which is like nothing. And if you, I think there's that's for the regular version, but it's already so cheap, and it's a tool you keep forever. I mean, it's yours then, so might as well get the pro version, which is I think it's 40, again 45, like it's $20 more, but then you get the pro version, and the pro version has the ability to do the spinning, which is, I mean, worth much more than $20. That's like you go to McDonald's and you get a trio, and it's, you know, like $20 these days for what this does. Might as well get it's like a handicap tool if you don't get this. Plus, the pro version has the social media, so it's gonna give you so much more exposure, and it's so much worth it. I personally got a higher version than that, which is the reseller rights, because I loved it so much. I just wanted to keep it. Just wanted to be able to. I believe so much in it that eventually I might. I'm not looking into that right now because it's, for me, it's a waste of time trying to actually sell it. It's making me so much money on the back end, uploading other videos to other channels that I have to, to promote mostly hard goods that I import. But anyways, I love the software, and the owner of the software, he's you can't imagine, Walt, how present he is for the support, and you can he's on Skype, you can ask him things. He's extremely top notch when it comes to customer support. So you're really in good hands, and the software has been extremely stable. So I can show you just one example of posting a video to see what it looks like. So if I go to video, and let's say I have this video right now, I'm going to erase it because this is, I'll eventually remove these. But let's go ahead and just post this video. So I added these videos, and then that's it. I click on submit. It says, do you want to post all videos? I'll say, nope, I want to post one video. And so if you want to remove the confusion, I can remove these. So you can remove the videos that you want, and just actually I can clear all the videos. Go back here, go to add videos, and then I can add this video. Go back to where I had, sorry about that, where I had the this description. Click on use it. That's it. Got it there. Submit now. I'll leave everything by default. So, okay, tag length, I don't have any tag. So let's put Hydravid demo. Save. Submit. Submit. That's it. So if you had tons of videos there, they would, just with that one click, everything is going in at the right place with the right keywords. Everything is optimized. It's getting spinned. It's going to send it to the hit mission server, and then from there it will dispatch it to the different networks. Right now, I just had the YouTube account configured, and then it takes a little while for it to do the work. It's not long, but just got to give it some time. And that's it. Basically, in any case, you click on submit, and you can go and do something else. Come back to it in 2 minutes, and it's done. And you're done. I mean, you just saved tons of time and tons of money, and you're sure you're not missing anything. And if you want to make a change in the video, instead of going back to all the accounts and changing one at a time, you can just re-upload massively to all the networks in one shot. So that's really amazing. One thing I learned from Walt is actually the price. That software will be on sale on think it was today or the 5th, on the 6th, tomorrow. And the price for the Pro version, which I think is like 47, this is just for a couple of weeks because he's launching the product. So I got my copy right away. I called him. I actually got it before it's on sale because I really want him to start using it. But the he mentioned that he was telling me that it's good that I got it now because after 2 or 3 weeks, he's gonna pull it out and he's gonna go and sell it to at a commercial price level, which I don't know how much it is, but it's gonna be much higher than the 45 or the $97, I think, for the resale rights. It's gonna go to, to a few hundreds, which is, I mean, if it was like 200, I would buy it because I bought so many tools, and this tool really is like gold for me. And I'm sure people who are working with video marketing softwares know how much money there is promoting using videos as promotions. So I'm gonna just leave it there, come back when it's done, show you um, show you how everything worked out, show you my YouTube channel where the video is, and then you'll
Okay,
be
guys, so
amazed
the video
as I
has been
was the first
uploaded,
time I used
and
it.
before going to my YouTube channel to show you that everything fell into place, I just wanted to show you that the video itself, Video Playback 9, was a video I snatched off of the internet just for that demo. It's a video that was on YouTube for Gersina, Cambodia. And let's go to my channel right now and see what happened. So boom, this is where you go, George Frost videos. The video is right there. And the title is exactly the title that we've put in. Let's go into the video and see. So I have exactly the title that we've put in. The description fell perfectly into place. That's the description we put, and everything works perfectly. So imagine if if you had a bunch of videos in here again with the titles, instead of limiting yourself to YouTube, you can post it to all the different networks in one click. And with the spinner, it will have unique descriptions. So you'll have unique videos in really in one click. There's so much that's being done. This is worth so much time, and it's an amazing tool. I haven't seen any tool that compares to this one. So have fun. Don't hesitate. Just get it and let me know. Leave some comments on your feedback. Thank you very much. See you next review. Bye bye.